Confidence is not loud English, confidence is calm English. Okay, it's at day 27, and firstly, let me ask you one question: that have you ever felt that you have sentences, you have words, but when it's time to speak, your mind froze? Okay, it happens, it used to happen with me, so I can easily understand this problem. And now tell me, now I will tell you why it happens. So the first thing, when you want to start English, oh sorry, when you want to speak in English, so like your mind thinks about the sentences, your mind think about the words, but when it's time to speak, it says that stop, and it's frozen. It happens, it just froze. And why does it happen? Just because of stress and pressure. Why now, why it happens? Why you feel pressurized while speaking in English, or when you want to speak in English? So your mind think about the sentences, words, so at that time it signals to you you don't have right words and you don't have right sentences, so stop. It gives you a sign of danger, and that is why it stops yourself to speak in English. And this is the main reason that why you are not able to speak English, but you have to ignore it at your own. You have to tackle this problem at your own. Now how can you tackle this problem? Okay, remember one thing always: confidence is not loud English, confidence is calm English, which I already mentioned in the first seconds of this video, in the first some seconds of this video. So why I have told you this, what I mean to say, I just want to say, when you want to start speaking English, try to do shadowing. I already mentioned in many of my videos what is shadowing. Now the next step, what you have to do, like what you can do, that is speak slow English. Slow English means try to speak sentences in a slow motion or in a slow way. For example, I am learning English. I am going to the market. I am recording myself. So, this is how you can speak slowly. Don't speak fastly. At the first phase of your learning English, or at the first phase of your journey, you have just started your journey, so try to put simple steps as compared to complex sentences or complex words. These will just stop you to learn English. These will just put pressure on your mind, and your mind will think that I'm not able to learn English, I'm not able to give words to you. That is why your tongue will refuse to speak words in English. But you have to ignore this thing, and you have to start from slow English. Now, let me tell you one thing. If you're speaking English, like if you're speaking broken English, that's okay. But if you are silent, that is not gonna help you in your future. If you are silent, if you are just listening and watching, that is not going to help you. You are not going to learn English. You have to speak out. Try to speak broken English. Broken English is a live English, alive. Okay, and silent English is a kind of dead, dead English. So, what will you choose? Obviously, slow English, that is alive. Okay, that will help you. Silent English will not help you. That is a just of dead English. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you will understand what I want to say in this video, what I want to explain in this video, or what I wanted to explain in this video. That's all for today. Like this video if you have learned something, and if you are relatable to this problem, or if your problem is relatable to this. And that's all for today.